Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's door-mounted step for Jeeps 2007 and up, JK, JL Wranglers, and JT Gladiator. Step 1. With the door closed and a 5mm Allen key, begin removing the bolts from your outer door hinges. While pushing back on the door, keeping it in place and aligned. You may need the help of a friend. Step 2. With the hinge step in hand, begin running the bolts through its holes and sliding the spacers on the opposite sides so that the angled end fills the hinge bolt hole. Loosely secure the step onto the outer hinges, while making sure the door is level and aligned. Step 3. With a 5mm Allen key, tighten down and secure the step onto both hinges, and you're done. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road door-mounted step.